Rohn said you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. What a profound observation. In this video, I'll share how the people in our lives can help us become the best version of ourselves or condemn us to a life of mediocrity. Have you ever had this feeling that after talking to someone you feel like taking a shower because you didn't enjoy the conversation that much? On the flip side, you can talk to a different person, you enjoy the conversation, and you don't want it to end. It's either because they made you feel good about yourself or they inspired you in one way or the other. The challenge for all of us is to be intentional and be careful about the people that we allow into our lives. Our friends can either make us or break us. Not everyone comes in our lives to help us grow and progress in life. Unfortunately, some people are good at keeping us where we are, or worse, make us drift backwards. The people we keep in our life can play a major role in our successes and failures. Our friends subconsciously influence us, and it's no surprise we're getting the results we are getting. It's very important to surround ourselves with people that make us feel good about ourselves. Spend time with positive and supportive people. People that encourage you, challenge you, and inspire you to achieve your dreams. It's very hard to stay positive and motivated if you are surrounded by negative people. So let's choose our friends wisely. Negative people will drain our positive energy and hinder our progress. I once had a friend who loved to talk about politics. Whenever I met him, he would go on and on telling me about what's wrong with this political party and what his favorite political party would do when they were elected in power. My friend even believed that his success in life was dependent upon the political party that was running the country. Every time I finished talking to this friend of mine, I felt like my head was about to explode at the sheer volume of the negative information that I've consumed from this friend of mine. When I realized this friendship wasn't taking me where I wanted to go, I started avoiding meeting with this friend. And the few times he managed to corner me into meeting with him, I would change the subject whenever the issue of politics came up. Over time, I managed to walk away from this friendship, and I couldn't be happier. No hate feelings there. We were just on different paths. You too may need to let go certain people in your life if you want to reach your full potential. Life is too short to spend a fraction of it with negative people or energy drainers. So take a pen and a piece of paper and write down the names of 5 people you spend the most time with. Let's exclude family members for this exercise. Dealing with negative family members is a whole video on its own. For each person on your list, answer this question with a yes or no answer. Is this person helping me in my journey to become who I want to be 5 to 10 years from now? If the answer is yes, that's simple, you keep. If the answer is no, well, you have a decision to make. Either you keep them in your life and allow them to continue to hold you back, or you start the separation process. Separating yourself is not easy, but you can gradually reduce the amount of time you spend with this person until they realize that you are on different journeys. Some people prefer going cold turkey or ripping the bandage. The decision is yours. If this video helped you, please watch the next one showing on your screen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, there's greatness in you. This is Ken. Stay blessed, my friend.